Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone has a device passcode and Touch ID set, because locking uses those protections. Once done, open Photos and pick the pictures you intend to hide. Tap the Share button, choose Notes, and add them into a new note. This moves the images into a secure container rather than leaving them only in Photos. Make sure the note is saved with a clear title so you can find it fast before you lock it with the next step. Now lock the note that contains your photos. Open the note, tap the three dots or Share and choose Lock Note. Enter a password that is different from obvious numbers and enable Touch ID when prompted. This binds the note and its attachments to the note password and biometrics. Once locked, look for the lock icon next to the note title. Make sure you can unlock it with Touch ID to confirm the password is working before you proceed to remove the images from the Photos app. Finish by deleting the originals from Photos to avoid duplicates. Tap Delete, then open Album's right arrow Recently Deleted and permanently delete those files so they cannot be recovered easily. After that, verify the locked note opens only when you unlock with Touch ID or the note password. This confirms your photos are protected. If you encounter problems unlocking, first try the note's password. If that fails, use your device passcode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.